To borrow money from CAS app, start by opening the app on your mobile device and logging into your account. Once logged in, you'll see your home page, where you'll need to tap on either the home icon or a dollar icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page, which displays options such as saving, free text, filing by Bitcoin, and investing in stocks. However, to access the borrow option, you must first verify your account, as unverified accounts do not have this feature available. To verify your account, select one of the given options and then choose all the provided options. Next, enter your first and last legal name. Then tap Next. Proceed by entering your date of birth and tapping Next again. Finally, enter the last 4 digits of your social security number, and your account will be successfully verified. Once verified, you'll be able to see the Borrow option on your profile page, allowing you to borrow money and take a loan from CAS app.